Well, hello scrappers. Almost noon, Thursday. Only a few more shopping days till Christmas. Yeah, better get after it if you haven't got it done yet. Well, I got a few refrigerators, a commercial refrigeration unit, and that dresser unit on there. And I got 5 riding mowers. I don't know how many push mower bodies we got. But gonna run it into the scrapyard. It's not raining yet. Rain's coming into the state, so I'd try to get it in and get it done. It's supposed to rain probably through Sunday, Monday, so try to get this in before the rain. I was thinking about doing it tomorrow. The wife said, "I'll go ahead and do it today. That way you can start loading it again tomorrow." I thought, okay, yeah. Almost got rid of all the push mowers. Of course, I got, I think, 6 or so over here yet. A couple of string mowers, and I'm not sure what else I got in here. I got that nice, I see a rototiller over there, and it looks like a real mower. And that DR trimmer, I'd like to try to get that thing running. That might come in handy around here. So, we'll see. But, got a pretty good load on it. Walk around real quick and take a look at it. Still got a few zero turns out here. I think I drove out there the other day, still counting 45 riding mowers out there. So yeah, I'm not not out of them yet. So got a pretty good little load. Now you got some shred. Got them barrels that that barrel I cut up, and that dryer drum, and some other little stuff. So it's almost noon. I'm gonna head that way. I'll get back here around 2 or 3, something like that, and try to get something done in the shop. Weather's fairly warm, so up in the 60s, lows in the 50s. So temperature wise, not bad, but we got this moisture coming in, so it's going to get wet. So we try to get this in and get back. Oklahoma drivers don't do too good in the rain, so hopefully we can get back before it rains. So I'm going to get this thing headed down the road, and we'll see what it weighs. I don't know if it weighs as much as the last 2 loads. I got 5 mowers. I think that last load I had 11. But, you know, we got the refrigerator, stuff like that. So we'll see. I'm figuring maybe 350. I haven't even called on the price. I thought, it may not have changed. And usually if I call, I get transferred usually once. Last time got transferred twice before I finally got the guy to give me the price. So I thought, yeah, I'll just take it in and they can surprise me. But if we get a lot of rain the next few days, I'll get something done inside, make some room inside the shop. I got compressors to cut open, I got a bunch of motors to tear down, I got some aluminum to clean up. So, and then I need to get on this pile, get it gone. But I've just been busy doing these mowers. But like I said, I still got 45 out there, so that's possibly 5 more loads. Yeah. So, yeah. And then I showed my wife pile of motors. I got a lot of cleaning to do there. And then do I want to, am I going to melt all that, or do I need to just take a load of breakage in, aluminum breakage? There's a lot of lawnmower motors there. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to get this on the road and we'll see what it weighs and see what it pays. So stay tuned. We'll be right back. Yeah, they don't have the shredder running today. Set the tripod up. Yeah, they tell me they don't take refrigerators any longer, so I guess I'm gonna have to go by. They'll throw them back on the load, and I'll have to run by metal check, I guess. So we'll get this dumped. Yeah, back it up a little more. Try to get this tripod, I gotta get a new one. Okay, here we go. go, scrappers. Yeah, we're back. Back from the scrapyard. So it's standard iron. See if we can zoom in on this a little bit. At 3,840 pounds total. For a total of $288. Which I figured this load was going to be lighter with the refrigerators and whatnot. And since they didn't take refrigerators, they threw the Pepsi machine back on, and I think the 3 refrigerators. They kept the 2 little chest freezers, which is good because I had a bunch of metal shoved down in them. And they kept the 2 commercial units, the dresser unit and the upright. So paid a little bit more for that, and they're still paying $750 a 100. So still at about $150 a ton. The metal check, they're still paying $110 a ton. I made $48.40 there just for those 3 refrigerators and Pepsi machines. So it's getting hard to get rid of those refrigerators. I know a lot of you guys are already dealing with this, and I know I saw one guy on the Scrap Metal Talk group said he had to charge $15 just to pick them up so he can get them drained. Standard iron doesn't take them at all, and then Al's Recycling, they'll take them, but they want the certification. So yeah, it's getting. Washtop Pipe and Steel takes them, but they're only paying $80 a ton. But they want all the shelves pulled out of them, shelves and drawers. So yeah, everybody wants something different. So there it is anyway. So it's a total of total of $336.40. So I was thinking about $350. So I wasn't off by a whole lot. $14. So I didn't have to put gas in the truck this time. Last week I put 50 in it, put it up on full, so I figure next load I'll stop and put 50 in it, and we should be good. Well, let's see, today is Thursday. I won't be taking another load in until after Christmas. I'll probably try to make another video before Christmas. I've got, I still got that pile of motors over here, and Oreo wants in the feeding room. I got these compressors here I got to cut down. So I got, quite a little bit of stuff to do inside. The rain hasn't hit yet, but they're talking about it coming in. So, but I only got a couple more hours of daylight today, so I'll probably go in and maybe grab a quick bite to eat, and get back out here and maybe. I don't know if I want to start trying to pull motors off of riders or not. Not really enough hours, enough daylight, or enough hours to dark. Almost like to have a whole day for doing that, but I don't know. I got a bunch of wire in that wheelbarrow I got to clean up. I got this little pan here's got a whole lot of wire. I still got these 2 mowing decks here. They're aluminum. And then I got those 2 lawnmower aluminum decks over there I got to get cleaned up. I might try to take in a load of cast aluminum soon. So I got some cleaning to do here. I got the metal wheels and some metal on it, so I'll probably have to bring over one of those metal tubs. Then make a run to O'Reilly's and get rid of some of these batteries. Get $5 a piece off the lawnmower batteries. So I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, and I may get, like I said, get another video out between now and then. But for those of you that may not see the video, Merry Christmas, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy scrapping. Bye bye.